Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to the Wealth Management Podcast from MPI So, talking about the markets, of course, that's the first thing that comes to mind at this point of time. So, yesterday also the markets opened cap down, and from there, a big fall, scaring away most of the traders the way the market fell. And from there, it took a support at around 21,300, and from there, start moving up. So, finally, it has done a consolidation. Looks like the fall has finally settled. So this is something that could be that's part of the markets. You see, in 2 days, the market has come from 22,100 level to close to 21,400. So it's generally saying that stock markets always go up via the stairs and comes down via the lift, and that's exactly what happened. It took so many days to reach the spot of 21,100, but from there, sorry, 22,100, but from there, in just 2 days, the markets are down. So at this point of time, one important thing is, of course, this is a great time for investing again. So if you have, book some profits, as we have discussed earlier, it is time to start deploying them. So first step can be done. So I've already done it day before yesterday when the first day of fall happened. So in next phase, I will be, in a phase manner, I would be investing that as well. This is only for people who are doing a lump sum investment, but for SIP investors, nothing to be worried about at all. These are all the benefits of SIP. That's why I firmly believe in the magic of SIP. So only thing is keep invested, stay invested, and I'm sure you should be able to get great returns. In fact, one of the best way to invest in SIPs is to go for a weekly debit than a monthly, because weekly the fluctuations of the market is captured when you go for a weekly debit. So that's something, if you are disciplined and you have funds in your account always, so it is a good thing to go for a weekly SIP. In fact, if you need support on this, just let us know. Just connect with us on mpiinvest.com. You can schedule a meeting with us and we'll help you do a weekly SIP that would invest into good mutual funds with the beautiful returns that you can get. Sorry. So apart from that, if you look at yesterday, so SDFC did fall, but not as much as the ADRs did for yesterday at the US. So markets have looked like it is stabilizing, but then LTM Mindtree is something which surprised the market with the result which is not that great. So we could see a big fall there. So both of these stocks, mainly SDFC and LTM Mindtree, have actually given the highest contribution to the fall yesterday. So now that things look settled, looks like the markets are getting back to sanity. So yesterday we had also the IndusInd Bank coming out with results, and the results were also decently good. So with all this, markets are looking kind of slightly positive. But something good in the US also, we could see that the US markets have recovered after so many days of fall. So that is also a good thing. So when the global markets have kind of taken support, Indian markets also are looking like it is taking a support. But at this point of time, Indian market will now kind of try to move up, but some buying can be expected. But today being Friday, of course, we could see the continuity of volatility. So as we come to last trading day of the week, let us look forward to having a week which is kind of closing better than last 2 days fall. So I am expecting some buying to kick in, so that is people who had missed out on opportunities might look at buying at this point of time. So that could be something that can trigger some more buying in the market. However, and not only that, another thing is that people who had shorted the market will try to book their profits today because they don't want to carry forward the trades on the weekend, and that could probably trigger the market upwards. So these are few things that could be expected. So do watch out for these things, and let's see how things go. Coming to me personally, I had a bad day yesterday because of the big gap down opening and then the further fall. That kind of sent some panic, but my panic buttons triggered, and we could. I hit two stop losses yesterday, multiple stop losses yesterday, and that kind of eroded some fun from my trading. But then, of course, net I'm still in profit for the year, but of course, such days are something like a Black Friday, right? So which actually it was not a Black Friday, it was Black Thursday that kind of hit my portfolio hard. So that's, sorry, some tech glitch, right? So but whereas my investing is of course doing really good, so I did invest again first, like I told you. So overall things are looking great, and yes, investing has given amazing returns for this year. Investing always gives fantastic returns. It is trading which can be not maybe good or maybe not good, but then investing always on a long term definitely gives you plus and positive returns. So I firmly believe in that. So I'm continuous investor. I have an SIP running always, even though I do investment in lump sum as well, but my SIPs are always running throughout the year, and that's something that works great for me. Right. So with that, this is Srikanth Rajan signing off. Wishing you all a great weekend. Let's catch up with more details on Sunday on the Market Pulse video, sharp at 7 p.m. on Sunday. Goodbye. Have a great day and a great week ahead.